Macrophotography is the art of taking extreme close-up photographs of small objects to produce images that are larger than life size. This style of photography has especially been present in a lot of the content I've been consuming lately, as I've been watching a lot of videos about setting up and maintaining fish tanks, especially from this guy. These videos got me thinking if there was a way that I could reproduce some of these images on a much stricter budget and only using my iPhone. Then it dawned on me. I had a bunch of these disposable cameras laying around, left over from my wedding, and these cameras have lenses in them. So then I quickly got to work taking them apart. Before taking the whole thing apart, I need to take the film out. The film's held here in this little section that kind of bows out a little bit, and can easily be removed by prying it open with a screwdriver. Now that I've got the film out, I wanted a safe place to put this, so I actually headed over to Maker World to find a case for this 35mm. Once I found one I liked, I started the prep for my printer. The print turned out pretty well, just need to clean up some stringing that happened at the lid. With that finished, we can now store our film safely and then continue on with the rest of the build. God damn it. With the teardown complete, we can now see that the lens is actually held in place by this little plastic bit here, which we can simply just pop off with a flathead screwdriver. Then we can use a slightly smaller bit to remove the lens. We're going to use the little plastic bit here to hold the lens in place, but since it doesn't click in, we're going to use a bit of super glue to secure it. I ended up getting a lot of super glue on the lens itself, but that's nothing a little acetone couldn't fix.
Shit.
With the lens all cleaned up, it's time to take some measurements on the camera. We're going to want to attach the lens to the iPhone the same way that it attaches to the camera. If you look closely here, you can see that there's these little clips that the lens holder uses to attach to the camera. And it attaches to this little cylinder here on these tiny nubs that are a little hard to see, but I'm going to use the paper to try to make it more clear. And basically I'm just going to try to emulate this exact shape and then attach this to the phone. With these measurements, I headed over to Tinkercad to try to recreate the attachment point for the lens holder. Before that, though, I found this piece that attaches to the iPhone 15. It's kind of a camera protector, but for this case, I'm just going to attach my piece on top of this so it works as a clean mounting system. Once I was pleased with the model I developed, I sent it over to the printer. Taking a look at the print, it seems that I was able to emulate that attachment point pretty well. However, there are a couple of supports on the bottom that still need to be removed, so I'm just going to pull those out with a couple of needle nose pliers. Now it's time to test the fit of the lens holder on our little piece here. And with that, we can go ahead and attach it to my phone. And I'm honestly very pleased with the result. It seems to fit really well, the lens is snug, and I'm just really surprised that I was able to get this accomplished first try. Oh, ignore that. So let's take a look at some of the shots I was able to take with this budget macro cam. I can see the device in your pupil.
Yep.
Alright, buddy, I gotta get your eyeball. Be still. Oh, he's licking my hand. You're shaking the camera with your licks, dude. Okay, good enough.